Unlocking the heart of language. Hold on to memories, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the evocative phrase, hold on to memories. This phrase is a treasure trove of emotion and significance, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. Let's embark on this journey together. Hold on to memories is a phrase that resonates deeply with many of us. But what does it actually mean? To hold on to something means to keep it firmly, to not let go. And memories are the moments from the past that we keep in our minds. So, when we say, hold on to memories, we're talking about keeping those past moments close to our hearts, not letting them fade away into oblivion. It's about cherishing and preserving our experiences, the sweet and the bitter alike, because they shape who we are. Memories play a crucial role in our lives. They connect us to our past, to the people we've met, and to the experiences we've had. Holding on to memories means acknowledging the importance of our personal history. It's about learning from our past, savoring the joyous moments, and even finding strength in the challenging ones. This phrase often surfaces in conversations about nostalgia, loss, love, and growth, emphasizing the human need to remember and to feel connected to our journey through life. You might wonder, how can you use hold on to memories in your own speech or writing? This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In storytelling, to evoke a sense of nostalgia or to highlight a character's emotional journey. In everyday conversations, when discussing cherished moments with friends or family. In reflective writing, such as journals or blogs, when pondering the lessons learned from past experiences. For example, you might say, despite the years, I still hold on to memories of my childhood summers spent by the lake. This not only shares a personal memory but also emphasizes its importance to you. We hope this exploration of hold on to memories has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of the power of our past to influence who we are today. It's about embracing our history, with all its ups and downs, and carrying it with us as we move forward. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the stories we hold on to shape the narrative of our lives. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, hold on to those precious memories.